this nigga at my school. He was fucking with me, I killed him, yeah. These bitches always snitching at me, yeah. Cause I did a fucking murder, yeah. I got murder on my mind, yeah. Cause these bitches always snitching on me, yeah. I got murder on my mind, yeah. And then these bitches always talking shit, yeah. I have to go to jail cause these bitches snitching on me every single fucking day. These fucking cops, yeah. Cause they always fucking snitch. These kids at my school every fucking single day they snitch to the fucking cops, yeah. I got murder on my mind. Bitches always fucking snitching on me, yeah. They acting like I did some fucking shit, yeah. To these fucking kids at my school every time I go to sleep, yeah. Got me fucking crying, yeah. I will wake up and I got tears in my eyes. Our kids go to jail cause I got fucking murder on my mind, yeah. I got murder on my mind, yeah. These bitches always snitching on me, yeah. They acting like I did a murder, yeah. I murdered this boy at my school, yeah, yeah. They snitched on me every day, yeah. I shot this nigga in the face, yeah. These bitches always snitching on me, yeah. I got murder on my mind, yeah. These bitches always fucking doing most, yeah. I'ma kill this damn nigga at my fucking school. These bitches always do the most.